On offshore oil platforms, conductor support systems, also known as conductor-supported systems or satellite platforms, are small unmanned installations consisting of little more than a well bay and a small process plant. They are designed to operate in conjunction with a static production platform which is connected to the platform by flow lines and/or by an umbilical cable. Traditionally, these jacket-type structures have been installed and used in shallow to medium water depths of up to 40 to 60 meters. The conductor-supported system uses its inherited strength of the well conductors to support both the wells and the topside structure. The conductor-supported system is particularly suited to areas with more benign environmental conditions. However, it is a common development option even in hurricane/cyclone-prone areas such as the Gulf of Mexico or Australia's Carnarvon Basin. The well conductors act as both structural, weight-supporting piles and flow lines for the produced fluents from the well. These are drilled and installed with a drilling jack-up rig using conventional drilling/lifting techniques. A leading proponent of this cost-effective style of offshore development was Apache Energy, which commissioned numerous conductor-supported wellhead platforms in the Carnarvon Basin to feed its so-called string of pearls discoveries. Notably, in this basin, the small field designs such as conductor-supported platforms and monopods often lay in proximity to the massive offshore liquefied natural gas fields of the Northwest Shelf, Gorgon, Wheatstone, and Pluto developments. References